Hi guys, this is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella, so we can check how smart she is. So ang question ko, if you have a boat or yacht, where would you want to go?
Palawan.
Sure ka? No pa yung sinasabi yan eh. Kasi she went to Boracay already. So, Palawan. Why Palawan? Tell us.
I want to go
Minta rito.
to the Under Cave and Island Hopping.
Anong under cave?
Under Cave.
Underground.
Underground.
Ah, you want to see the underground river? Ay, nakakatakot kaya doon. Ang dilim. Siyempre, cave yun eh. Are you sure you will like that? Hindi ka matatakot? Parang nakikita ko kasi sa mga videos. May maraming bats doon.
Okay, I don't care.
You really want to go there?
An island hopping.
And island hopping, oh, kasi parang ang Palawan is magaganda, yung mga corals nila doon. Oo nga, ako rin eh, na-excite. Parang gusto sa magpunta sa Palawan. So, are you sure you will not be scared of going in the cave? Mga 40 minutes yata kayo doon, nasa boat. Okay
If
lang
I'm
po?
scared, I'll just go to sleep.
You want to see bats?
Yeah, but if I'm scared, I'll just sleep. So I will not see anything. What if I miss the thing?
Kaya nga, nagganon ka pa tapos pero syempre yung yacht mo nga pala hindi kakasya doon. Siguro lalagay mo lang sa shore yung yung yacht mo, and meron sila doon mga boat for hires. May mga boat for hire sila doon. Hindi yung kakasya kasi sa underground river. Oh, well, interesting. Nito. Kailan tayo makakapunta doon?
Next week?
Palawan?
Next week.
Palawan next week. Tsaka na pag summer para mas maganda. Okay. That's interesting place, right? Wish we can go there, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, that's for a video for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. God bless.